Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most essential home appliances for pet owners and anyone looking to keep their space spotless: vacuum cleaners. Specifically, we're comparing three heavy hitters in the market: the Shark HZ702 Ultralight PetPro corded stick, the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet, and the Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, deep carpets, or just looking for a solid all-around cleaner, these three models bring some serious cleaning power. We'll break down their unique features, pros and cons, and which one might be the best fit for you. Let's dive right in. The Shark HZ702 Ultralight PetPro corded stick is built for lightweight, versatile cleaning. If you're looking for a vacuum that's easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or above-floor areas, this might be it. It's designed with pet owners in mind, targeting pet hair, dander, and allergens with efficiency. Pros: self-cleaning brush roll. Shark's unique brush roll tech is designed to handle pet hair without tangling, a lifesaver for pet owners dealing with shedding. Lightweight and maneuverable. The HZ702 weighs only about 10 pounds, making it easier to carry up and down stairs and use in awkward spaces. Multi-floor capability. Switch from carpet to hardwood easily. The Shark HZ702 is designed to handle different surfaces without losing suction power. Advanced swivel steering. The swivel steering and compact design make it easy to reach around furniture and corners. Above floor cleaning. It easily converts to a handheld vacuum, allowing you to reach above floor areas like curtains, shelves, and tight corners. Cons: corded. While the corded design means constant power, it can be a drawback if you prefer cordless convenience. Limited dust cup capacity. With a smaller dust cup, you may find yourself emptying it more frequently, especially during deep cleans. Noise level. Although effective, it can be a bit noisier than some other models, so that's something to consider if you prefer quieter cleaning. The Shark HZ702 Ultralight PetPro corded stick is ideal for pet owners who prioritize versatility and a lightweight design. However, if you need a larger capacity for heavy-duty cleaning or a quieter option, you may want to explore other choices. BISSELL is known for its pet-friendly products, and the CleanView Swivel Pet is no exception. This upright vacuum is designed specifically to tackle pet messes while providing reliable suction on a range of floor types. Pros: triple action brush roll. The brush roll lifts, loosens, and removes pet hair and debris without scattering it across the floor, ideal for multi-pet households. Large capacity dustbin. With a larger dustbin than the Shark, this vacuum can handle bigger cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Swivel steering. Although it's an upright model, the swivel steering makes it more maneuverable, especially around furniture and corners. Scatter-free technology. When you're cleaning hard floors, the scatter-free technology helps keep debris contained, so you don't end up sweeping twice. Specialized pet tools. BISSELL includes specialized pet tools like the Pet Hair Corner Tool and Pet Turbo Eraser Tool, making it easy to get rid of pet hair on upholstery and other challenging areas. Cons: heavy and bulky. As an upright model, it's a bit bulkier and harder to maneuver in tight spaces or above-floor areas compared to stick vacuums. Corded. Like the Shark, the CleanView Swivel Pet is corded, limiting portability slightly. Less effective on deep carpets. While good on standard carpets and hardwood floors, it can struggle with thick carpets compared to some other options. The BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet is a powerful and affordable vacuum, especially for pet owners. Its specialized pet tools and scatter-free technology make it a great choice for larger spaces and homes with multiple pets. However, it's not as lightweight or compact as other models. The Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance is a powerful choice for those looking for deep cleaning capabilities. Known for its suction power and multi-floor performance, this vacuum is a solid pick if you're dealing with a mix of carpeted and hard floors. Pros: WindTunnel 3 technology. This exclusive technology creates 3 suction channels to lift and remove embedded dirt, a significant benefit for deep cleaning carpets. Multi-floor brush roll. The on-off brush roll allows you to switch seamlessly between carpet and hard floors without losing suction or scattering debris. HEPA filtration. The advanced HEPA filtration system traps dust, pollen and allergens, which is ideal if you're sensitive to allergens or have pets. Large capacity dustbin. With a bigger dustbin, you won't need to empty it as often, even during extensive cleaning sessions. Extended reach and tool attachments. It comes with several tool attachments and a 15-foot extended reach hose, ideal for above-floor cleaning. Cons. Heavier design. At around 18 pounds, the WindTunnel 3 Max is on the heavier side, which can make it challenging to carry upstairs or use in tight areas. Noisier operation. The powerful motor does make it louder than some other models. Bulkier for storage. The upright design and larger size mean it takes up more storage space, which can be a drawback for small apartments or homes. The Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance is a top pick for deep cleaning carpets and multi-surface use. It's perfect for larger spaces and homes where deep cleaning is essential. However, if weight and noise are significant factors, a lighter or quieter option might be a better fit. So, how do these 3 vacuums stack up? Here's a quick breakdown to help you make the best choice. While the WindTunnel 3 Max offers impressive deep cleaning power and multi-floor capability, it ranks third due to its heavy, bulky design and louder operation. It's an excellent choice for those with large spaces and thick carpets, but it might be too cumbersome for smaller homes or for those seeking a lightweight, maneuverable option. Coming in second, the Shark HZ 702 Ultralight PetPro is a fantastic pick for its lightweight design, maneuverability, and effective pet hair removal. The self-cleaning brush roll and versatile conversion to a handheld vacuum make it a great option for quick, convenient cleaning across various surfaces. However, the limited dust cup capacity and corded design can be drawbacks for those looking for longer, cord-free cleaning sessions. The BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet takes the top spot, excelling in both performance and value. It's a well-rounded option with powerful suction, pet-specific tools, and a larger dustbin, which makes it perfect for pet owners handling frequent cleanups. The swivel steering and scatter-free technology also offer great usability, especially for those with larger homes or multiple pets. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 3 standout vacuum models for pet owners and general cleaning needs. Whether you choose the lightweight Shark, the pet-friendly Bissell, or the powerful Hoover, each of these vacuums has something unique to offer. Let us know in the comments which one fits your lifestyle best, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!